playing. It's recording.
Wait till that guy walks across the street. He's gonna think I'm crazy. Ready? Branding! You get down from there because I can't afford it. You get your ass into the trailer. What'd you call it? I forgot what you called it.
Double wide.
Double wide.
It's not a trailer, it's a double wide.
It's not no trailer, it's a double wide. What did you say when you were walking?
I don't know.
I don't know either, but I'm down now.